Hi. Say hi. Can you say hi to the world? Look how good you are. You're so calm. Mason, say hello. Say hi. Say hi, baby brother. Want to give him a kiss? Hey. Want to kiss him? Give him a kiss. Kiss him. Say, I'm a good big brother. How you doing? How you doing? You don't really have a lot to say, do you? Say, I sleep a lot. I'm a good baby.